Apple's long-rumored and long-awaited AirTags are finally here. So what's with all the hype around these tiny Bluetooth trackers anyway? Well, they make it extremely easy to find your stuff, whether it's in your home or far away. Here's what you need to know to get started with AirTags and why you might want to. You set up AirTags using your iPhone in the same exact way you set up your AirPods. Just hold the device next to your phone and you'll see an option to connect. Then you name your device. Describing the item you plan to attach to it is best. The AirTag is paired to your iCloud account, so you can then use the Find My app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to track it down when it's lost. AirTags use Apple's ultra-wideband U1 chip, which enables ultra-precise tracking when paired with a U1-capable iPhone, like the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 12 lineup. These directions are precise. You'll see turn-by-turn instructions in your own house kind of precise. They also use Bluetooth, which is how they can be tracked down when they're outside of your iPhone's range. The Bluetooth signal can be picked up by other devices connected to Apple's Find My network. Think of how many iPhones are out in the world. That's just a fraction of the devices that are capable of finding your AirTags when they're lost. If you lose an AirTag, you can enable Lost Mode, which allows you to get a notification if the Find My network pinpoints its location. You can also enter your contact information, so if someone stumbles upon the AirTag in the wild, they can tap it using an NFC-capable phone, even an Android one, to see who it belongs to. In terms of battery, AirTags actually use coin cell batteries, so they can last for more than a year without needing to be replaced. That's really useful. AirTags don't come with accessories in the box, but there are already dozens of options to choose from. Apple makes keychains and loops for attaching AirTags to your keys or luggage, and there are third-party accessories too. I definitely plan to use the loop for luggage when I'm traveling frequently again. One of the issues that has come up with AirTags is its unwanted tracking feature. If someone pairs an AirTag to their iPhone and then tries to slip it into your belongings without you noticing, you'll receive a notification on your iPhone. But it has to be running iOS 14.5, otherwise you won't get an alert. If you have an Android phone, that unwanted tracking feature also works, but it works less well. If an AirTag is hitched a ride in your car, for instance, without you knowing, it will emit a sound after 3 whole days of being separated from its owner, the person who's tracking you. That's not great, and Apple should definitely fine-tune that feature to alert people more quickly when unwanted trackers are near them. Otherwise, AirTags work exactly as promised. They're small, they're affordable, they're easy to set up, and they will definitely help you find your stuff when it's lost. If you're prone to losing things and you have an iPhone, then buying one or possibly a 4-pack of AirTags is probably a good idea. Check out our full review of AirTags on Gizmodo.com.